Force has said that Hamas cannot be defeated as an ideology and as an idea. The reiteration came after the Israeli military's top spokesperson, Daniel Hagari, stated that Hamas cannot be made to disappear, drawing a sharp rebuke from Israeli PM Benjamin Netanyahu. Notably, IDF spokesman remarked that the idea of completely vanishing the Hamas terror group equals throwing sand in the eyes of the public. The statement infuriated PM Benjamin Netanyahu, who stated that Israel's only goal is the destruction of Hamas military and their governing capabilities. Contemplating its commitment to completely dismantle the Hamas terror group, the IDF sought to clear the perspective and clarify that Hagari's statement was taken in a wrong manner. The Israel Defense Force said that Hagari referred to Hamas as an ideology and as an idea. Nonetheless, the stark difference in the stances of PM Benjamin Netanyahu and Israel's military illustrates that cracks have started appearing in Israel as a whole, casting a shadow over what Israel wants to achieve in the war, which has dragged into the 9th month now. It must be noted that Netanyahu is facing immense pressure from within his government, opposition, the allies, including their closest ally, the United States. Israel devises a strategy for post-war governance in Gaza. Even the dissolving of the war cabinet by PM Benjamin Netanyahu has raised questions regarding when a ceasefire between Israel and Hamas will be finalized. This is because it is believed that disbanding the war cabinet would further distance PM Netanyahu from agreeing to a ceasefire, as it would allow him to draw out the war to stay in power. Furthermore, the latest comments illustrate the growing series of public disagreements between Israel's government and military. Just last week, the Israeli military declared tactical pauses of military activity in the southern Gaza city of Rafah to allow aid to pass through. However, the move drew criticism from PM Netanyahu, who said that the decision was unacceptable.